of rational numbers. Now you are familiar with the rational numbers, the numbers which can be represented in the form p by q. That are the rational numbers, but these numbers are written in fraction. So in this chapter we will study or we will learn that how to write these rational numbers in the form of the decimals. Okay? So now you are already familiar with the decimal representation. Means you know that number that can be written in the decimal notation by separating the fractional parts, that is tens, hundreds, thousands and so on, from the whole part by means of a decimal form. Means if we are having 62.7, then that means it is 62 plus 7 upon 10. Clear? So this is the decimal representation. Next is how do we read the decimal numbers? Suppose we are having 26.725. Okay? Never read it 26.725. No. After the decimal, we read the digits separately. Means it will be read as 26.725. Clear? This is how we read the decimal numbers. Take one more example, 75.715. So this can be read as 75.7125. Don't read it as 75.71,125. No. After the decimal, we will read the decimal numbers one by one separately. Clear? Next we are having converting rational numbers to the decimals. How can we convert the rational numbers to the decimals? Suppose I am given 5 upon 10. So if we are having the multiples of 10, means powers of 10, you can say 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. If we are having such numbers in the denominators, then these can be represented as 5. The number of digits after the decimal will be equal to the number of zeros in the denominator. Means if there is 1 zero in the denominator, then there will be 1 digit after the decimal. Clear? If we are having 71 upon 100, then there are 2 zeros. That means this can be written as 0.7. 2 digits after the decimal. This is how we can convert the rational numbers to the decimals. Next we are having, now we have two types of decimals. One are the terminating decimals and other are the non-terminating decimals. So the rational numbers in which the division process does not end. Suppose we are having, let's take 1 upon 2. So if we divide it, it will go on 3, 9. Again we are left with 1. Okay? Then again we are having 1, then 0 again, then again it will go on 3, 10, 9, again 1. Means we will get a 3 after the decimal. And we don't know how many 3's we will. So to represent such numbers we use bar. A symbol is used bar, and this bar is put on the number of digits repeating itself. Means if 3 is repeating, then you will put the bar on single 3. Okay, suppose in some case 31 is repeating itself, so you will put the bar on 31. Clear? So there are two types of decimals. One is the terminating and other is the non-terminating. So terminating decimals are those rational numbers in which the division process never ends, and the decimal digits keep repeating. That are the non So, in this question, we will use division method. Take its first part, that is 1.8. So now, to change it to the decimal representation, we will divide it 0. It will go on 1, 2, again we will take a 0, then 2, 16, 4, again a 0, then 3, 5, the 4. So that means the division is finite and 1/8 can be represented as 0.1. This is how we can convert the given fractions into decimals. Now, in second question, express the following repeating decimals in short form. So, in second part, we will represent the repeating decimals in the short form with the use of a bar. Let's take its first part, it is 0.3333. This is the same question which I have already explained to you. So here you will write 0.3 bar. Why? Because 3 is repeated. Only 3 is repeated, then you will put the bar on 3 only. Take one more example. Let's take its third part. That is 0.323232. So now, which digit is repeating? 32. That means it can be written as 0.32. Clear? Now in third question, correct the short forms of the following repeating decimals. Here we are given the decimal numbers which are represented in the short forms but that are incorrect. So we have to correct them. So let's take its first part, it is 2.333 and this is written as 2.33 bar. Now this is incorrect. Why? Because only 3 is repeated and they have put the bar on 33. So this is wrong. So the correction is that this must be equal to 2.3 bar. Because only 3 is repeated, so we will put the bar on 3. Now, question number 4. Which of the following rational numbers can be represented as terminating and which as non-terminating decimals? Give the answer without actually dividing. So here we are given a number of rational numbers and we have to tell that which among them are terminating and which are non-terminating. Now